Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Catching Up with Salma. I'd like to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you that have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Salma. I hope you enjoy the kind of content I put out here, and please make sure to subscribe. I'll very much appreciate that. I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie 5 of my favorite turban style scarves. Some of you guys have asked me how I do some of these ones, and they are very easy and do not require the use of any pin. For this video, I have with me here a couple of hijabs in different textures and colors, and I'm going to be using them for different turban styles. So let's get into the video. So guys, I created some volume with another piece of scarf and added on an underscarf, and I'd like to say apologies for some of the lighting inconsistencies in some parts of this video. I hope you do enjoy it.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room, and damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
much for watching to the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like this video for me, and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of these 5 hijab tutorials and which one you most likely rock, right? Please subscribe to my channel. As always, I'll really appreciate that, and that will go a long way to show your support to me. And of course, share this video, share this to as